A tornado warning. First time I've heard the sirens go off in a long time. See, you can see that storm front moving in. We got an alert that we should move to the basement. Lord, protect it and make this go around. This is probably the worst I've seen it. It's looking like a pretty big round thing. So, prayers for everybody in this area. Take care, guys. Weird how it's moving. This is really weird. I'm definitely praying in Jesus' name. I'm gonna go downstairs now, guys. Come on! Yeah, it's 7:20 p.m. and it would normally be light out, so they said they've had a couple spottings of tornadoes here, so yep, not looking great. Our warnings went off. Okay, going back downstairs.